and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing something very different with you guys. I decided to basically just try a bunch of new makeup techniques with you. I'm going to be doing stuff today like doing my eyebrows first, and then eyes, and then my face. I've actually never done that before, so props to you girls who can do that. I'm actually going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade again today. I haven't used it ever on my YouTube channel actually. I used to use it a lot in high school, but yeah. I basically am just trying a bunch of new techniques with you guys today. So let's just get started. So I honestly don't know how to get started because I'm literally just starting over. So I'm going in with the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin-Infused Complexion Priming Spray. And I think what I'm going to do is let this sit, and then I'll do my eyebrows, and then prep my eyes, do my eyes, and then my face. So I'm not going to be doing any primer until later in the video, which this is just very weird for me. Watching other people do it, I'm like, oh, okay. But like myself, I have no idea. So the new brow stuff that I'm using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I did just pick up the shade Ebony again. I also got a brow pencil, wow. I got a brow brush. I got the 7B Anastasia Beverly Hills one. This is what it looks like. So this is the end of it. And then it does come with a spoolie, which I love. So yeah, I'm just going to start by brushing my hairs upward, which this feels so weird without having makeup on. So I'm going to zoom you guys in just so you can kind of see what I'm going to be doing. So you're just going to put like a little bit on your brush. And just to warm it up, you take your cap and you're just going to kind of like go like that. And this is just going to kind of let you play with it and put some on your brush. That way you don't have a lot of product right away. So I just kind of lightly drew that bottom line right there. I'm just slowly bringing this out into my brow tail, and I'm gonna just bring that straight down kind of where I want it to go. And I'm basically just gonna kind of follow my normal shape. I'm not gonna go over it by too much. And I'm gonna start right here and just bring the entire thing straight up, and then go right at the top and just kind of create a line almost. And then I am going to go in with my Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. This is also in the shade Ebony. And I'm going to use this to draw on the hairs in the inner corner. So I just kind of made it a bit darker throughout. I did this by putting a bit more product on my brush. And right now I'm just kind of trying to get the inner portion of my eye basically just how I want it. Okay, so that is the final look. I am going to go and do the other eye off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, so that is both eyebrows complete. I definitely don't love them. I feel like they're a bit more block-like than I prefer. I usually like to have this area be a bit more hair-like. And right now, there's literally just like a block. So I would have to say that I definitely like doing my eyebrows better when there's foundation on top. It's easier having a foundation on your face because then the eyebrow pencil, I feel like, just glides on better. So right now I'm just kind of using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to hopefully make them look a bit more lifelike. I'm hoping that once I have like the rest of my makeup on, it might look a bit better. But as of right now, I'm not loving it. But I am going to clean them up how most people do. I usually don't, but I'm going to try it. I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. You can just use any concealer that you use. going in with my Farrah 10F brush, and I'm literally just going to clean these up. And I am just bringing the concealer onto my eyelid since we are not doing the face first. I really want to make sure that my eyes do have a good base down before I put eyeshadow on it. And so I just went right along the top part of my eye, and now I'm just kind of buffing the concealer into my skin just to make sure this is all even. And then I'm also doing the inside of my brow, and this is honestly making me hate my brow more because it looks really block-like now. I mean, sure, it looks really sharp, but it's just not the natural look that I always go for. So I'm just going to quickly do the other eye, and then I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I am done doing the concealer. Yeah, this is just really not for me. You guys, some of you out there might think that these look really good. In my eyes, I really don't like them. I just think that they look way too fake. I guess I'm just all about really natural makeup and just bringing out the natural beauty in people. That sounds kind of cliche, but I mean, that's just honestly what I like doing. But I am just going to take a beauty sponge and just kind of dab where I had to put concealer. So basically just all around your eyebrow and your eye, because now I'm just going to kind of prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. So I'm going in with my DERMABLEND Professional Loose Setting Powder, and I'm just going to put a very tiny amount, like maybe that much. Probably should do less. I'll probably put this for both eyes, just like that. And I'm just dabbing this in the concealer, being careful not to put it on your brow, obviously. I'm just gonna dive in and do some eyeshadow. Do the 35E brush, which is my Farrah brush. I'm using the Morphe 35O palette. So I am going to jump into the shade Burnt Spice. It is this shade right here. So I am just putting this basically in my whole outer of my eye and also into my upper crease, and then just bringing it right here. Okay, so now that both eyes are blended out, I am going to be going into more of a dark shade. I'm going to go in with the shade Dude. It is this shade right here. It's kind of a dark gray. I'm going to be going in with my 25E brush, and I'm putting this right into my crease. And I'm going to go back in with my 35E brush and just kind of buff that in with the other shade, making sure that it all just blends nicely. I'm going to go back in with that Burnt Spice color and just add a bit more to my lid. And so I'm not going to be doing my lower lash line yet, just because I still have to do foundation. So I think now it's time for face. Okay, I feel so weird right now. I'm going in with the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer, and basically just putting this all over my face. And this is weird since I do have concealer around my eyeball. Oh, sorry. I'm putting the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer under my eyes. And then I'm going in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Well, I'm just rubbing this in. I guess it's time for foundation. I'm going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I am in the shade M3.5. Okay, I did it. Time for concealer. I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm in the shade Custard. Now I guess I can try something new again. Some people do dots, like they do lines like this. So I figured, why not try it? Bronzing, I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer again in the shade Amande. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a old eyeshadow pencil, buff this out. I really want your opinion on my eyebrows right now. I mean, sure, they still look good. Like, I just feel like they look too blocky. And I'm taking my DERMABLEND translucent setting powder, and I'm just setting my face right now. And baking my nose. So there's not much else that I can really change to my makeup routine for the rest of this video. I feel like I would like doing my makeup this way a bit better, obviously, if I maybe had more practice. But also, if my eyebrows would have looked how I wanted them today. I think that's what's really throwing me off. Because, like, I mean, honestly, these eyebrows look really clean. Which, I will say I like that. Like, they just look very snatched. So, love that. But, yeah, I just don't think I'm used to it. For my under eyes, I'm going back in with that burnt spice shade that we put on the lid first in my 25E brush. And I'm just doing my under eye while my face is baking. And then I kind of lost this part of my eye from the concealer earlier, so I'm just kind of recreating that shape. And then I am going to just take my beauty sponge and first tap in my cheeks. And then I'm going to tap in my nose. Okay, and then for my inner corner, I'm taking my concealer brush, my 10F brush. I'm going to dip in the shade Clear. Actually, no, I'm going to do the shade Pop. It is this shade right here. It is just a really pretty, kind of a rose gold color. I absolutely love this for my inner corner. And I mean, that is literally without me putting any setting spray on it. It's just that pigmented. And I'm going to take this same shade and just lightly use it on my brow bone. But yeah, okay, that's done for the eyes. Time to warm up my face. I'm going to use the NARS Bronzo. Wow, NARS Bronzer in the shade Casino. And I'm using my Farrah 30F brush. And this is all the same. I'm just bronzing my face how I normally would. I'm then gonna take my 55E brush and just kind of define my nose contour a bit more, and then also under my lip. And before I forget, I'm just going to put on some chapstick. And then I'm going to go in with my 50F brush to warm up my neck. For blush today, I'm using the NARS Deep Throat. And I'm using my 40F brush just to give my cheeks some life again. For highlight today, I'm using the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralize Skinfinish. I'm using my fan brush, which is the 28F brush. And just make my skin glow. And right above the brow, I'm also taking my 05E brush, which is just an eyeliner pencil, and going on my Cupid's bow, and then also my nose. I'm going to use my MAC Creme Cup lipstick. Okay guys, so for lashes today, I am using the Cosmetics London-Vegas Nay Luxe Collection. And for glue today, I am using the Lash Duo. Okay guys, so then I'm also using the Benefit Their Real Mascara. Okay you guys, I am back. I have my lashes on, and I must say, I am surprised that I like it this much. The only thing I have an issue with is my eyebrows. I just don't know if I like them or not. I feel like I do, but at the same time, I'm like, ooh, are they too like blocked? You know, like too sharp? Is that a thing? I don't know. No, overall, I like it. My puppy's coming. Hi! Hi, cutie. Hi! Hi! I missed you. Hi. 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 But yeah, no, I really think I like them. I'll give you guys a montage and see what you think. So yeah, I really want your guys' opinion. Make sure you do comment below or message me on my Instagram. I really want to know what you guys think of these eyebrows. The more I stare at them and like have them with a full face of makeup, I really think I like them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button. It was really fun doing my makeup routine basically backwards. It was so much fun. So yeah. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.